Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a thumbnail or a wallpaper website on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, if you want to create a wallpaper website, you need to, of course, upload your images, which are going to be your wallpapers, which you need to procure in any way that you can. Upload them to your site and then set up download links for them. Now, to upload media, you just go into media and you can click on add new media file and then upload any image that you would like. Now, the 1 GB upload limit is in place for free plans, so keep that in mind and get a premium plan if you want to upload more items. But once you get the plan and upload your items, then you can go over into your pages and actually start editing your pages and adding, well, links. Then just go into the editor, and you can also host your images on third-party sites as well, which is also useful. But I'll just go over into this here page. So let me just delete all of these things that I don't need, and now you can choose your blocks. Now, of course, you should go into images first and get a gallery or something of the sort. You can set up a gallery block and upload images to that, or just go image, and you can enter a media or text, which you can use to upload an image. And then you can go ahead and set up a download link by going, for example, and getting a button, and get a button right next to the image or below the image of your wallpaper, and then just add whichever texts, for example, download. And then once you have this, just click on this link, and you can just put in the URL, the download URL of your image, and you should be good to go. You can set up a direct download link, and once you do, you will be able to share wallpaper. Excuse me. You'll be able to share wallpapers on your site and allow people to, of course, download them. Now, to commercialize this and to monetize this, you're going to be needing to use WooCommerce, and once you use WooCommerce, you'll be able to get payment for your wallpapers, and that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.